Hello and welcome. Today, you'll do more than just learn English. You'll train your mind, think like a millionaire, and boost your confidence. Throughout this video, we'll follow Alex, a young professional who wants to succeed in life. You'll learn valuable English phrases and life lessons as we go along. By the end, your English and mindset will improve dramatically. Chapter 1, Morning Routine of Successful People. Alex wakes up early every morning at 5 a.m. He drinks a glass of water, writes a short journal, and reviews his goals. He knows that success comes from consistent habits, not luck. Every morning, he repeats to himself, he will focus on what matters most and take action immediately. He plans his day carefully and approaches each task with energy and determination. This small daily routine sets the foundation for growth, productivity, and clarity of mind. Chapter 2, The Money Mindset. One day, Alex faces a decision: spend his money on instant pleasure, or invest in learning and self-improvement. He chooses the latter. He understands that money is a tool, not a goal. Every small decision has a long-term effect. Alex reminds himself that investing in knowledge, skills, and connections is the fastest way to grow both personally and professionally. He visualizes his future success and commits to making smart choices every day. Chapter 3, Habits of Highly Effective People. Alex develops habits that compound over time. He reads books, listens to podcasts, and networks with smart, motivated people. He practices new skills daily, even when it feels uncomfortable. By embracing consistency and discipline, he builds unstoppable momentum. He realizes that small daily improvements, repeated over time, lead to massive growth. His focus on actions rather than excuses is what sets him apart. Chapter 4, Facing Challenges and Fear. Alex encounters challenges that push him outside his comfort zone. A big presentation at work requires him to speak confidently in English. At first, he feels nervous, but he reminds himself that fear is normal. Courage is acting despite fear. He prepares carefully, focuses on his strengths, and takes action. By facing challenges consistently, Alex strengthens his confidence, communication skills, and resilience. Chapter 5, Evening Reflection and Growth. At the end of each day, Alex reflects on his actions. He reviews what he accomplished, what he learned, and what he can improve. He writes in his journal, he worked hard, learned new things, and will continue to grow tomorrow. Reflection turns experience into knowledge. Through daily review, Alex recognizes his progress and reinforces a growth mindset, preparing himself for a more successful future. Chapter 6, Advanced Personal Growth. As Alex progresses, he adopts advanced techniques to accelerate his growth. He sets clear goals, measures results, and adjusts strategies when needed. He focuses on thinking critically, acting decisively, and learning continuously. He also mentors others, understanding that teaching is one of the fastest ways to reinforce knowledge. Alex's daily routines, consistent actions, and reflection cycles ensure continuous improvement in both mindset and communication. Chapter 7, Success in Action. Opportunities begin to appear in Alex's life because of his mindset and preparation. He communicates confidently, builds meaningful relationships, and makes decisions aligned with his goals. Challenges no longer intimidate him, instead, they become stepping stones for growth. He understands that success is not luck, but the result of preparation, consistency, and the right mindset. Chapter 8, Final Lessons and Motivation. Alex's journey teaches us several powerful lessons. 1. Success comes from daily habits and consistent action, not shortcuts. 2. Investing in yourself, your knowledge, skills, and mindset, is the fastest path to growth. 3. Fear is natural, but courage is acting despite fear. 4. Reflection and review turn experience into lasting knowledge. 5. Your mindset determines your results more than circumstances ever will. As you go forward, remember, your daily decisions shape your future. Commit to growth, embrace challenges, and act with purpose. Think like a millionaire, speak with confidence, and never stop improving. Congratulations! You have learned how to combine mindset growth and English fluency. By practicing consistently, taking action, and thinking like a successful person, you can achieve remarkable results in your life and your communication skills. Your journey starts now. Focus, act, and grow every day. The path to success is in your hands, and you are ready to take it.